Hello, I'm Soumya. In a family of 3 generations, there are 2 couples and 2 pair of brothers and sisters. Neeta is the sister-in-law of Leena. Geeta is the daughter of Jai. Jyotsna and Rajesh is the eldest couple in the family. Jagdish is the son of Leena. Jai is the son of Rajesh. His wife is Leena. Now the question is, if we'll go through the statement number 3, that is, Jyotsna and Rajesh is the eldest couple in the family. So, we can make a graph out of it. Rajesh and Jyotsna being the eldest couple. Now, if we'll go through the statement number 5, that is, Jai is the son of Rajesh and his wife is Leena, we can clearly state that Jai and Leena are husband and wife and are son and daughter-in-law of Rajesh and Jyotsna. Similarly, from the statement number 1, Neeta is the sister-in-law of Leena. Now, Leena's sister-in-law, Neeta, would be obviously daughter of Jyotsna and Rajesh. Now, going through the statement 2 and 5, that is, Geeta is a daughter of Jai and Jagdish is a son of Leena, we can clearly say that they both are daughter and son of Jai and Leena. The relation graph is complete. Now, let's go through the question. Leena is the dash of Rajesh. Now, in a graph, we can clearly see that Leena is the daughter-in-law of Rajesh. So, we can state that option number 4, that is, daughter-in-law, is the correct answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. Read the following information and answer the questions that follow. In a family of 3 generations, there are 2 couples and 2 pair of brothers and sisters. Neeta is the sister-in-law of Leena. Geeta is the daughter of Jai. Jyotsna and Rajesh is the eldest couple in the family. Jagdish is the son of Leena. Jai is the son of Rajesh. His wife is Leena. Now the question is, here in statement number 3, Jyotsna and Rajesh are the eldest couple. In statement number 5, Jai being the son of Rajesh and his wife being Leena. In statement number 1, Neeta being a sister-in-law of Leena is the daughter of Jyotsna and Rajesh. Similarly, from statement number 2 and 4, we can clearly state that Geeta and Jagdish are brother and sister and are son and daughter of Jai and Leena. Now, going through the question once again, who is the aunt of Jagdish? Now, we can clearly see that Jagdish's aunt would be Neeta. So, option number 4 is the correct answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. For the following questions, choose the correct option. And the question is, pointing to a photograph, a person tells his friend, "She is the granddaughter of the elder brother of my father." How is the girl in the photograph related to the man? Now, the brother of my father, that means the person's uncle. And uncle's granddaughter is the daughter of uncle's son. Now, let's clear out the graph first. Now, for the person's own graph, his father's brother was his uncle. Similarly, he was present in the graph in this way. So we can clearly see that the daughter of the uncle's son is the person's niece. So option number 1 is the correct answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. For the following questions, choose the correct option. And the question is, pointing to a photograph, Vipul said, "She is the daughter of my grandfather's only son." How is Vipul related to the girl in the photograph? Now for the solution. Now, Vipul's grandfather's only son would be his father. And the daughter of my grandfather's only son means that his father's daughter would be his grandfather's only son's daughter. So we can clearly see that Vipul is, no doubt, the brother of the daughter of his grandfather's only son. So the answer is option number 2, that is brother. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. For the following questions, choose the correct option. And the question is, a woman introduces a man as a son of the brother of her mother. How is the man related to the woman? Now, the son of the brother of her mother is the key statement in this question. The brother of her mother would be her uncle, and uncle's son is, no doubt, the woman's cousin. So the correct answer is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.